Namaste. So today we will attempt a challenging and advanced pose, the revolving one-legged headstand or Parivrtta Eka Pada Sirsasana. And this posture requires strong core, flexibility and strength. Parivrtta means revolved, turn around. Eka means one and Pada, the leg. In this variation of Sirsasana, the legs are spread apart and the trunk and legs are then turned sideways on either side, while maintaining the balance without disturbing the position of head or the hands. So let's come to Sirsasana first. Kneel down on your mat. Place your interlaced hands on the mat forming a triangle. Then carefully lower your head onto the triangle, ensuring your crown is touching the mat. Keeping your legs straight, lift them off the ground. Keep your core engaged and arms strong. Once you are balanced, straighten your legs completely. After completing Sirsasana, spread the legs apart. Move the right leg forward and the left leg back evenly. Then exhale, twist the spine to the left so that the legs move sideways clockwise through 90 degrees. After turning sideways, keep the legs stiff by tightening the hamstring muscles, knees and calves. Spread the legs still wider and stay in that position for 20 to 30 seconds, trying to breathe normally. This asana develops the leg muscles, tones the kidneys, bladder, prostate and intestines.